Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to set up automated messages for Instagram. Follow these easy steps, and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, we have to install Business Suite app in our phone. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Meta Business Suite, and you have to install this app. Once the Meta Business Suite installed, go ahead and open Business Suite app, and now we have to sign into our Instagram account here. So tap on other login option, and here tap on login with Instagram, and now tap on your Instagram profile. Tap on get started, and once you successfully signed in here, as you can see my Instagram profile, followers showing up. Now just go to inbox, and once you are in your inbox section, tap on this three dot at the top right, and here tap on automations, and here you'll find this instant reply. Just tap on try it, and now tap on this pencil icon to edit your auto message or auto reply message. Go ahead and edit your auto message and tap on save, and now you can select any channel. I'm selecting only Instagram, and someone sends you a message for the first time, they will get this automated message automatically. Now just tap on save, and that's it. This is how we can set up automated messages for our Instagram account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.